In metalworking, nothing transforms ideas into reality like a fiber laser cutting machine. Before you stands Songu Laser, a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, sales, and service of high-end laser equipment for metal processing. Headquartered in Suzhou, Jiangsu Province, the company spans a total area of 110,000 square meters and employs over 800 people worldwide. From here, world-class fiber laser cutting machines are built with the highest quality and precision. Everything begins with a solid foundation. Songu Laser insists on using high-quality steel as the main material for its machine frames, ensuring sufficient load-bearing capacity and vibration resistance. The steel in front of us has undergone strict inspection and is about to enter the cutting line. Songu Laser uses only full-size steel plates as raw material, never leftover scraps. After passing inspection, the steel plates enter the laser cutting process. To prevent potential thermal deformation during the full plate cutting process, engineers employ micro-connect cutting technology and manually separate the plates after cutting. For the guide rail and rack mounting surfaces, Songu Laser sources prefabricated steel strips directly from steel mills that meet precise size and quality standards, ensuring product consistency and a smoother welding process. During the welding process, Songu Laser follows a single product, dedicated station, single operator workflow. Full penetration welding is applied to the main beams and support components, ensuring structural connections with high strength and rigidity. At the same time, intermittent staggered welding is applied to key components, such as covers and guide rail surfaces. It effectively reduces vibration during gantry processing, enhances the strength of the guide rail surfaces, and significantly lowers the risk of thermal deformation.